Hello, sir. I am Sanjay Landge. I am Managing Director in Bluemark Software Private Limited. I would like to introduce you with my company. This company is located in Pune, and we have developed digital platform for exclusive B2B promotions, and we have added certain unique features for their B2B promotions in India and in offshore countries also. Of course, you being a chamber and association and you are controlling a mass of industrialists with you, I do not have to advise you anything, but would like to add that if my services are taken as a supportive services for your chamber, definitely I am sure the economic position of your members will grow, and I am also sure more members will get attracted to register with you. So what are my services? I will explain you. We have developed ABN platform, and this is for B2B promotions. This ABN platform, it helps any industrialist for making him digitally fit. Then we make, based on that digital asset, his data driven promotion. His data driven promotion is made in India and outside India also. This promotion includes our mobile app, our platform for virtual exhibition, as well as our own developed video conferencing platform. We have got again a supportive assets, like we make them digitally fit through our own channel. We make their videos, we make their brochures if it is not available with them. And these are presentable assets to offshore countries. When it is a presentable asset, then customer would like to definitely see it. So this will also play a role of due diligence of our customer. Now you know this is a destination India. So everyone is looking at the India as a customer or as a strategic partner or some business association they want to develop with India. You are trying definitely very good efforts you are giving, you are trying hard, you are giving lot of help to the people offline and online also. If you see our platform on avlifree.com, you will come to know our services. We want to provide our services as a supportive to your role. Again, I am telling you, because this will enable you to enhance the economic position of your industry. You are dealing with various sectors, we are also dealing with various sectors. You are also dealing with the industry community, we are also dealing with industry community. We have today more than 50,000 industries and businesses enrolled on our platform. Why don't we ask them to register with the chambers and with the associations to avail your services, and simultaneously we can also request your members to avail these ABN services so that their business will grow. For doing this, what we have done, sir, we have appointed our channel partners and business partners in America, in Africa, in Europe and in Asia also. These people are facilitating us to get good customers, relevant customers for your members, and this way business will definitely grow. So it will not be only the business between the members, but it will also be a business of members towards beyond the perimeter, I can say that. So this is what we are doing. I request you please go through avlifree.com and give me your convenient time to discuss this matter more in details in person. Thank you, sir.